Understanding your options. A step-by-step guide to prescription drug coverage. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to get prescription drug coverage. Number 1. Evaluate your needs. Determine your prescription drug needs. Consider factors such as the medications you currently take, their frequency, and potential future prescriptions. Number 2. Understand Medicare Part D for U.S. residents. If you are eligible for Medicare, you can get prescription drug coverage through a Medicare Part D plan. Research different Part D plans to find one that suits your needs. Number 3. Check employer or union coverage. If you have employer or union-sponsored health insurance, check if it includes prescription drug coverage. Many employer plans offer this coverage, and it may be more comprehensive than standalone Medicare Part D plans. Number 4. Research private insurance plans. If you are not eligible for Medicare or don't have access to employer-sponsored coverage, research private insurance plans that offer prescription drug coverage. Look for plans that cover the medications you need at an affordable cost. Number 5. Compare plans. Compare the features and costs of different prescription drug coverage options available to you. Consider factors such as premiums, deductibles, copayments, and coverage restrictions. Number 6. Enroll in a plan. Once you have chosen a prescription drug coverage plan that meets your needs, enroll in the plan according to its enrollment process. This may involve filling out an application from online, by phone, or through mail. Number 7. Provide necessary information. Be prepared to provide information such as your name, address, date of birth, Medicare number if applicable, and a list of medications you currently take. This information helps the insurance provider determine your eligibility and coverage options. Number 8. Pay premiums. If your prescription drug coverage plan requires monthly premiums, ensure that you pay them on time to maintain coverage. Number 9. Understand coverage details. Familiarize yourself with the details of your prescription drug coverage, including which medications are covered, any restrictions or limitations, and how to access prescription drugs through the plan's network of pharmacies. Number 10. Use your coverage wisely. Make the most of your prescription drug coverage by using it to fill your prescriptions at participating pharmacies. Be mindful of any co-payments or co-insurance you may be required to pay for each prescription. Number 11. Review annually. Review your prescription drug coverage annually during the Medicare Open Enrollment period, October 15 to December 7 in the US, or when your employer-sponsored plan offers open enrollment. Evaluate whether your current plan still meets your needs or if switching to a different plan would be beneficial. Number 12. Seek assistance if needed. If you need help understanding your prescription drug coverage options or enrolling in a plan, consider seeking assistance from a licensed insurance agent, Medicare counselor, or healthcare navigator. These professionals can provide personalized guidance based on your individual circumstances. Also, take a look at the Medicare and You Handbook 2024. The attached link is below in the description. Thank you so much for watching today's video. We hope you found it informative and entertaining. If you enjoyed this video, do not forget to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. We love hearing from our viewers. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you never miss an update from us. Stay tuned for more exciting videos coming up soon. We have some great content planned that you won't want to miss. Once again, thank you for being part of our community. Your support means the world to us. Until next time, take care and see you in the next video.